your body has to go from 5 units to say 8 units because you have to wake up, you have to move, you have to get out your bed. So the 7-step process on how to wake up on mornings. By breathing, you take in oxygen, yes? And if I'm sleeping or I'm sitting down, the amount of oxygen I use is not much. Let's just say 5 units of oxygen if we could quantify it. But if I'm running, then I'm using more. Makes sense, right? Remember, the goal of the seminar is to chain up yourself for yourself. So when you now awake, your body has to go from 5 units to say 8 units because you have to wake up, you have to move, you have to get out your bed. And that is not 5 to 8. It's a continuous process. 5, 6, 7, 7.5, and then you get to 8. So once you understand this, you can facilitate the process a lot easier. So what I do is I wake up and I sit up because that's low energy, and then I play a game on my phone. Really straightforward. But in detail, this is the process. So the first thing you need to do when you are planning to wake up early on mornings, resolve to get off your bed. In other words, you need to plan. You need to plan what time you would like to wake up tomorrow. So I want to get up at 6. Okay, great. So in your head, you are going to bed saying, I will be up at 6 a.m. And a resolve is not this, No. If you know you can take 5 more minutes, then tell yourself you want to get up at 6:05. When you say a time, you want to get up at 6:10, 6:10, that is it, you want to get up. Sit upright, so spine straight. Again, your eyes could still be closed. Your alarm goes off, okay, great, phone. Sit up on the bed. Add discomfort. So, this can come in many different ways. So, I would go with the senses. So, light, sound, temperature. So, what I do, I have my AC remote and I press the sleep timer. If I want to get up at 6, the sleep timer cuts off at 3. So by the time it's 6, I'm waking up because it's hot. You know, you're not getting up and it's cold and you want to cover up. No, it's hot, So that's the first one. Then I rewired my room, I have my lights, which I have dual lights. One is right by my bed head. So I wake up, it's hot already, I just turn on the light, I have a red light, and my eyes start to get accustomed. You don't even have to do all that, you have your phone, put on your torchlight on your phone. Simple. Do something, add movement. I play a game. I play a game on my phone. I have this game that I like to play, Plants vs. Zombies, right? I play 2 stages and I know 2 stages is 2 stages, full stop. That's it, done. Elevate is a good app for education, E-L-E-V-A-T-E, it's blue. I highly recommend it as well. If I had that in Form 5, what? You know how good I would be right now? Anyhow, drink water. I would recommend this as well. So I drink water. Actually, before I do anything, I drink water. So I have a bottle of water by my bed head. I wake up, I sit up, I drink some water, and then I pull out my phone. Text a friend, maybe make a to-do list. Wait, energy will come. Anybody could guess what's the 6th step? Get off your bed. Yes, well done. And there's a fail-safe. Because you know, sometimes you get off your bed and I just want to go back, right? Add more movement. And this comes naturally. Brushing your teeth, hopefully. Right? Juggling, exercise, wash your face, and by this time you should be fully up. So trust me, if you try this, it will work with experience and practice. I have many students come after the seminar and say, these things really work, they are amazing. I should have known these things since Form 4, Form 5.